What is the one best form of online business? Hi, this is Tim. Welcome to All Affiliate Cash. I'm often asked what is the best form of online business, whether I'm on a consulting call, through email, comments, or messages. I'm happy to say there is not one best form. Why does that make me happy? Because it gives you options that will fit your personality, your business desires, your required income level, and your lifestyle. Your personal skills, interests, and goals can be a driving factor in what type of business you should start online, but there are some popular and profitable forms that you should always consider. Number 1, e-commerce. E-commerce involves selling physical or digital products online through platforms like Amazon, eBay, or your own website or sales funnel. This can be a good option if you have products to sell and want to reach a wide audience. Dropshipping also falls into this category, and this can work if you find a way to differentiate yourself from all the other dropshippers. Don't fall for the business in a box, however, as the only one who makes money selling these copycat stores is the one selling the copycat store. Nothing there will differentiate you from any other copycat store. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other companies' products and earning a commission on each sale that you generate. This can be a very good option if you don't have your own products to sell, but want to earn money by promoting products that are relevant to your audience. Virtually all brands now have affiliate programs, and you can check this using Google. Just type brand name affiliate program into Google, and the chances are very high you will find a link to their program. Be aware, though, that all affiliate programs are not created equal. If you try to earn using low-ticket affiliate products, you will need a very high volume of sales to make any money. Number 3 is blogging. Blogging involves creating and sharing content on a specific topic and earning money through advertising, sponsorships, and other forms of income, including affiliate marketing. This can be a good option if you have expertise on a particular topic and want to share that knowledge with others. It generally takes a long time to establish a blog with enough credibility and a large enough audience to successfully monetize it, but it's a good long-term strategy and can be mixed in with other options as well. Blogging in general can raise your credibility level on any topic, so posting to a blog or making a video blog can work alongside your other business model to increase reach and effectiveness. Number 4, social media marketing. Social media marketing involves helping businesses and organizations to promote their products or services on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. This can be a good option if you have experience with social media and know how to create effective campaigns. This is not influencer marketing, where your status and large following allows you to be the spokesperson for a product. I don't consider that a reasonable form of online business that just anyone can start. If you are an influencer, you can certainly earn this way, but for Joe Average, the chances you have of becoming an influencer are really quite low. Number 5, coaching and consulting. Consulting involves providing advice and expertise to businesses and organizations on a particular topic. This can be a good option if you have specialized knowledge or experience in a particular field and want to help others succeed. Consulting is generally a one-on-one approach between you and the other business, so the fees tend to be quite high in order to make it worthwhile. Coaching is another form of consulting and can expand your consulting options into more directions than pure consulting. Coaching can be done with webinars where you can deliver one-on-many coaching as opposed to one-on-one coaching, and can extend both your reach and earning power dramatically. A lower cost webinar can reach many more people and provide significant value to the participants at a reasonable cost that still generates sizable income for you. Ultimately, the best online business for you will depend on your individual skills, interests, and goals. Consider what you're passionate about, what you're good at, and what your target audience is interested in, and then choose a business model that aligns with those factors. The best piece of advice I can give you is to get the proper training before you start out. You can follow the link in the description to get a head start on your own online business and join thousands who take this same training every month to start their own successful business. I'll also give you a special ebook for free at the link that describes the steps necessary to be successful in affiliate marketing, which is the business model that I believe offers the novice the best start and the best opportunity to earn online with very little investment. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe if you're watching on YouTube, or like and follow on Facebook. And in either case, please share this with your friends. Until next time, life is good.